All right, next job of the day, second job. First job, we did the pre-construction job walk. This one, we got to get way up there, 30 feet with the lift that we picked up from Home Depot. It was cheap, it was easy. We've got an air conditioned circuit that's out and we've traced it. Panel, it's got power coming out, no power at the unit. It's a straight run with 2 junction boxes. We're gonna open up those junction boxes, see where the burned wire is. Let's take a look. That's where we're going. And that's how we're getting there. What's up, Rudy? You ready to go up? Let's do it. Rudy's getting up on that bucket. I ain't going up, but I'm gonna take the car around. We're gonna park it over there. We're gonna get up. We got the TRD Pro towing the boom lift from Home Depot. Half day rental, $300, charging $2,100 to get into a junction box. Just gotta wait for him. Got nothing to do. All right, so we got the problem fixed. The problem was in the sub panel itself. It was a disaster. We had about 6 or 7 breakers double tapped. They had taken out wires, put in wires, crossed wires everywhere. Rudy's up there finishing up that part of it. So what we did is re-spliced and re-ran a couple of number 10 wires to refeed some circuits, separated them out in the panel. I will be calling the client back, telling him there's probably another $6,000 here to completely clean up that commercial panel, add another sub panel so we can get at least 6 more breakers so that we can continue to clean up the double up tap breakers. Let's take a look. All these guys were going up in that same conduit, and we've got a ton of double taps right there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 double taps just right there. Coming down this side of the panel, I already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a mess. That's why you do commercial for jobs like this. Hey, hope you got something out of this video. This altogether will come out to be about a $10,000 project. I'll try to shoot some more videos, but I'll be back in Montana, but Rudy will be here to take care of it. We will see you on the next one.